Welcome traders, this is Kevin from Tradertalkonline.com. Wanted to jump over here from our live sessions, actually from our class we have going on right now. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we have a focus section class. You can check that out on our website, Tradertalkonline.com, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 10 to 12. They usually run over because we always have a lot of good questions. And also our live from bell to bell service that we offer. You can check all that out on Tradertalkonline.com. What I wanted to jump over here and talk about today was sometimes some things happen not so good, and you have to just learn to set those things aside and move on and stick with your plan. Everything's not always going to go just right. This that happened to me this morning. I have two different accounts. This is the platform that I use for small trades, for scaling in and out because of the commissions are smaller. I'm actually up a little over $400 in this account, but the one that I was wanting to talk about was I also have an Ameritrade account which I use for larger trades. And this is the trade that I made this morning. I usually don't make trades this large, but I felt pretty good about this stock. It has had a really good run up. This is the daily right down here. I entered in, let's use, it's probably easier to see here. I entered in this stock this morning right here at 660 at 5,000 shares, right here at this bar where it looked like it opened up, gap open this morning, went up, and then had a nice little pullback, excuse me, and then looked like it was going to start another bounce right here. So I got in at 660, just over this bar right here, and 5,000 shares, and I put a stop in right at the bottom of this bar, which was around 640, but I gave it a couple of cents. So I put my stop in at around 638, 639, right there. Well, it didn't do exactly what I thought right here. It had another little pullback, and I got stopped out right here on this bar. And remember, I had 5,000 shares of this. Well, it came down here and touched this fast line, this 10-day moving average. And now, as you can see, it's had a pullback, but I mean, it was, I was just sitting here, just sitting in my chair watching it get up to 775, which would have been $1.15, which would have been about $5,500. But, you know, I stuck to my plan, I put in my stop, and, you know, sometimes those things are going to happen. I got stopped out for a loss, you know, where, you know, it went up to, you know, over $1 from where I bought it. And, you know, I don't know if I would have stayed in anyways on this big pullback with that large amount. What I probably should have done in this situation is maybe sold maybe half of my position right here. And then let the rest ride maybe, but that, you know, that's a lot of shares, and it actually went down to about 627, which was about 30 cents lower than what I bought it at. So, you know, that would have been in the $1,500 range loss I would have been looking at if I would have just kept it. So I don't know if I would have kept it, you know, wrote it down that far anyways, but you know, sometimes these things happen and it's frustrating. You know, worse has happened to me. this is a situation where I could have made more money. I've had situations where I've lost a lot more than that. So, it could have been worse, but these things do happen, and you just have to suck it up and keep moving and stick to your plan and not always try to hit the home run. Small gains. I've learned that small gains do add up, and if you stick to your plan, then you will get those big gains like that. So just wanted to come on here and share that trade with you guys. Please check out our site. There's good stuff there, and I will talk to you soon.